Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best black hair care is probably one of the most sought-after products for people with black hair, and for good reason. Finding the perfect shampoo and conditioner that caters to the unique needs of black hair can be a game-changer, transforming your hair from dry, brittle, and damaged to healthy, shiny, and strong. In this video, we will delve into the world of black hair care, exploring the key factors to consider when selecting the right products to achieve your desired hair goals. Number 5. Maple Holistics Biotin Set. Combat hair loss naturally. Avoid harsh sulfates found in many shampoos and conditioners. Opt for gentler, natural alternatives instead. Give your hair some much-needed love. This Biotin shampoo and conditioner set is perfect for volumizing thinning hair, leaving it healthy and revitalized. Enhance your look with this volumizing shampoo and conditioner. It helps your hair look fuller and healthier thanks to its moisturizing natural ingredients. This sulfate-free conditioner, with biotin and plant proteins, is the perfect partner to our volumizing shampoo. Together, they provide deep moisture and nourishment. We use only real ingredients for real results. You can feel good knowing that it's made with natural ingredients that are good for your hair and scalp. It's gentle enough for everyday use and is free of harsh sulfates and parabens, making it suitable for all hair types. What we like? It's formulated with biotin and is sulfate-free, so it's gentle on your scalp. If you have thinning hair and want to add volume without harsh chemicals, this is the one for you. Its volumizing properties will give you fuller, healthier-looking hair. What people say? I have noticed less hair fall, more manageable, and I love the mint scent in shower. When applying, you can feel your hair thicken. Makes your hair feel good after. A small amount of the shampoo lathers up real well. It's gentle enough but cleans well, and it does do that. After 7 months of using this biotin shampoo, my hair has been falling out less. Number 4. HASK Argan Oil Repairing Set. This dynamic duo is designed to strengthen, restore, and smooth even the most damaged hair. It's the perfect solution for dry, brittle locks. Derived from the nourishing argan oil, a timeless beauty secret from Morocco, it will leave your hair looking and feeling its best. Experience the transformative power of nature. It gently cleanses while repairing damage and breakage. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to silky soft, glossy hair. It tames frizz and protects your strands, leaving them looking and feeling healthier than ever before. It's the secret to effortlessly beautiful hair. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. It's gentle enough for everyday use. Get ready to experience the difference. This set will transform your hair from damaged to dazzling. What we like? This repairing shampoo and conditioner is infused with argan oil, known for its restorative properties. If you are looking to revive dry, damaged hair and want a product that's gentle yet effective, this is an excellent choice. It will leave your hair soft, silky, and shiny. What people say. This is the 8th brand of fragrance-free shampoo and conditioner I've tried in the last few months. All the others caused itching, smelled awful, dried out my hair, or weighed it down. These products did none of that, just clean, soft, shiny hair with no flyaways and no flatness. And no smell at all. This truly has no smell, and works great. I cannot have products with any scent, and have been using this product for months now. The shampoo and conditioner make my hair soft and shiny. I will continue to repurchase. I love this shampoo. I cannot tolerate fragrance in my shampoo due to sensitivity. This is the only shampoo that is both fragrance-free and not drying to my hair. The shampoo is rich and does not remove my highlights. I have bought this product several times. Number 3. SheaMoisture JBCO Strengthen Shampoo. It's here to help you restore your hair's health and shine. This sulfate-free formula gently cleanses and nourishes, leaving your hair feeling stronger and more vibrant. If you regularly color, straighten, or heat style your hair, it's perfect for you. It's also great for kinky, curly, or wavy natural hair. It's made with Jamaican black castor oil and shea butter. These ingredients work together to strengthen and repair damaged hair. It gently cleanses while providing nourishing moisture. It helps revive damaged hair, leaving it feeling healthy and strong. It's sustainably produced and cruelty-free. It also contains no silicones, sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, or petrolatum. Experience the difference of naturally derived ingredients that work to strengthen and restore your hair. Discover healthier, more beautiful hair with SheaMoisture. What we like. It's made with Jamaican black castor oil, known for its hair strengthening benefits. If you have damaged hair from coloring, heat styling, or other treatments, this shampoo will help to nourish and repair it. It's perfect for those who need a gentle yet effective cleanse. What people say. First use and I see a difference. Soft hair, shiny, full of body. Stays in place as if there is product on it. It detangles, softens, and hydrates my hair. This shampoo has significantly improved the quality of my hair. After dealing with an illness, my hair was in terrible condition due to a poor diet. However, after a month of using this product, I've noticed that my hair has become stronger and denser. Number 2. Luseta B-Complex Set. This dynamic duo is designed to strengthen and volumize your hair, giving it a fuller, healthier look. It's perfect for those seeking thicker, more vibrant locks. It's formulated with biotin, argan oil, and caffeine to promote stronger, healthier hair follicles. These ingredients work together to nourish and revitalize your hair from root to tip. This set helps support natural scalp circulation, giving your hair the volume and body it deserves. Say goodbye to flat, lifeless hair. Enriched with vitamin B3, it helps improve blood circulation in your scalp, reduce inflammation, and stimulate keratin production for stronger, healthier hair. This gentle, yet effective shampoo and conditioner is perfect for those with thinning or dry hair. It cleanses without stripping your hair of its natural oils. It's safe for color-treated and keratin-treated hair, and suitable for all hair types. Plus, it's cruelty-free and free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten. What we like. This shampoo and conditioner set contains a B-complex and biotin, which are beneficial for hair growth and strengthening. If you have thinning hair and want to improve its overall health and thickness, this is a great option. It will leave your hair feeling stronger and fuller. What people say. After using solely the Luseta Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner during my routine shower, I was surprised that they control my dandruff to a significant level. I experienced as much relief of itching and dandruff, including clearing up white flakes, as I had experienced with either Nizoral 1% or MG217 coal tar shampoos, maximum strength. A big advantage I saw with Luseta was the absence of drying as well as frizz of my color-treated hair, and my hair would comb easily. The shampoo lathers O.K to good level, and you don't need much to make a good lather. I try to use the same amount of conditioner as well so that both finish at roughly the same time. Together they definitely added smoothness and shine to my hair. These did not fade the color of my color-treated hair, something that I specifically watched and made sure. The bottles look cute and the product comes out easily with simple squeezing while holding the bottle upside down. Number 1. SheaMoisture JBCO Strengthen and Restore Set. This sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner set is perfect for repairing damaged hair. It's gentle enough for everyday use and will leave your hair feeling soft and healthy. Do you regularly color, straighten, or heat style your hair? It will help reduce breakage and clarify your scalp, leaving it feeling refreshed and clean. This set contains apple cider vinegar and peppermint oil to soothe an itchy scalp. Shea butter adds extra nourishment for a healthy scalp and shiny hair. Whether you have kinky, curly, or wavy hair, this shampoo and conditioner will leave it feeling soft, manageable, and shiny. It's ideal for enhancing natural curls. For even better results, add the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore treatment mask to your routine. It will give you extra soft, manageable, and shiny hair. By purchasing SheaMoisture products, you're supporting their mission of creating entrepreneurial opportunities and enriching lives worldwide. What we like. This sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner set is clarifying and contains apple cider vinegar, which helps to balance the scalp's pH. If you have an itchy scalp or product buildup, this is the perfect choice. It will leave your hair clean, healthy, and manageable. What people say. Great product. A little goes a long way. Smells great, foams and cleans great. I've used the shampoo twice, the conditioner once. Just this much, there is an obvious difference. My hair is softer, no sign of color leaching, and a huge % of moisture is back from the color treatment. Plus there is natural shine. It is a somewhat subtle but obvious aroma of vanilla. Even though I've only used it twice, I've experienced enough already to know that this product has already exceeded my expectations and I will definitely be a repeat customer. My whole family has some degree of natural curls, from light waves to fairly tight ringlets. So those of you who know, that equals special moisture needs. I'm very happy I discovered this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.